In the previous video, we saw about the remix feature in OpenAI Sora. In this video, we will be seeing about the blend feature. So let's get started. So first thing, let me explain you what this blend feature does. So this blend feature basically combines two videos in different ways. So imagine there is one video and you want to combine it with another video with a transition. That's the transition way. And there's another blending way where it just mixes both the videos together. So let's see all the types of blending in Sora. And this blend feature can not only be applied to your own videos that you create, it can also be applied to the videos that are present inside recent and feature. You'll be having the blend option over here. But in this video, I'll be showing you the one with the videos I have created. So I'll just come here. This is the one. So first step is you must make sure that you're having the two videos which you want to add a transition or mix. You must have quite similar to each other. For example, I'm going to do blending with this video and this video, and these two videos are really similar because here a tank is moving and here a car is moving. So both the things have a same kind of object which are moving at high speed. So better have that kind of videos so that the transition effect will look good. So now I will go with this tanker first. Click on this, the video, and you'll be having the blend option. Click here. So you can even upload your own video into it. That's up to you. Or else you can just choose from the library. So I'll just go with the videos that I've generated, this Formula 1 video. So the first blending is transition blend, and you'll be also getting this influence curve. So what this curve does is that if I move this particular point down, this will reduce the influence of the first video, and if I move this curve like this will reduce the influence of the second video. So that will be considered as a custom blend. I'll just go with the normal one. I'm not going to play around with the curve. If you want, you can just straight out. So move this means reducing the influence of the first video. If you move this, reducing the influence of the second video. As simple as that. I'll go with the default one. So just click on blend. So we have got the output for our transition blend. This is the first video. So I guess it has done the right job, but the only thing is the tanker image. This part is fine. The transition is so smooth. Like the first video, we had the tank and we had this desert kind of setup, and after that it smoothly moves to a F1 race track. This is perfect. But the first part here, the tank is fine, but the color has changed to a F1 car. I don't know why that happened. So second video, okay, this is better. This is better than that, but here also it has got that, I don't know what is it, the launcher of that fully in the F1 video also. Okay, so this is the transition blend. Let's see another blend now. So I'll just go with the same video. So I'll just click here, blend, choose from library, F1 video, and we saw transition blend, seamlessly flow between clips. Next is going to be the sample blend. I'll just click here. So what it does is influence the primary clip with another. So you can just adjust the, as usual, the influence curve. I'm just going with the default one and I'm clicking blend. So this is how sample blend is going to look. And here, you know, the tanker has taken the primary video. It's been coming all over both the scenes. Okay, even in the desert and the racing track, I'm getting only the tanker. So that's taken the primary video over there. So here also it's a tanker, comes both in the desert as well as the racing track. So this is that kind of blend. So next one is the mix blend, which I guess mixes both of the clips together. So go here and choose this. We are having the mix blend. Yeah, merge clips together, and again you can change it if you want. I will go with the default, and let's go with 4 videos this time. Click on blend. So this is the output that we get for mix blend. So if I play one by one, so this is the first video. So as I told you, it just mixes both of the scene together. So we are having the tanker along with the F1, and look at the surrounding also. It looks like the mix of the F1 race along with the desert. And the second one, exactly same. It's like a mix between the F1 car and the tanker, and the desert and the F1 race track. the third video. So this is the blend feature in OpenAI Sora. I guess most of you won't be using this feature that much, but you can just try it out anyways. And I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools and Sora and ChatGPT also. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.